Ever seen somebody yawn and then suddenly you start yawning too? What's up with that? Let's find out. Yawning is contagious, not because of the air or tiredness, but because of your brain. We have something called mirror neurons. These special brain cells mirror what we see like yawning. And get this. Contagious yawning is more likely to happen between friends or family. That's because it's tied to empathy and emotional connection. So next time you start yawning in class, it might be your brain showing empathy. Like for more brainy facts,